Hey guys, this is G. In this short video, you will see how I made two love pendants. For this project, the wire technique for making a jewelry pendant is really easy and super fun. Also, you only need basic jewelry making tools. You can make it for yourself or give it as a unique handmade gift. They will love it. Here I use 20 gauge brass round wire. I wouldn't go any thinner than 20 gauge. On a piece of paper, design your pendant. The wire will be continuous, so be mindful of that when you are writing and drawing the word love and the heart shape. As you can see, I used the drawing I made as a guide to follow. I used a round nose plier to help me achieve the shape of the letters. Here, you see the finished pendants. You will need to have a closed loop somewhere on the pendant where the chain for the necklace will be connected by a jump ring. For the word love, I put the loops at each end. For the heart, I only made one loop and placed it at the top side of the pendant because I wanted the heart to be hanging at an angle. Since I used a round wire, I wanted to add some texture, so I flattened it out using a chasing hammer. The flattened areas make the lines more irregular and interesting. It also reflects light and makes it look more shiny. I think these came out pretty great. They are unique, fun, easy to make, and kind of addictive. You can also try making single letter initials or name pendants. Here, you can see the necklace on me. I like to style my necklace by layering it. Here I layered it with my diamond chain. And here with my blue topaz stone to add some color. I think the heart came out a little big, but I personally like it this size. Of course, you can shape it and size it however you prefer for your own necklace. I hope you enjoy this DIY project idea and get inspired to make your own. Have fun being creative and check out my next project coming soon. Until next time, take care!